I just bought this car at an auction for 200 bucks. It's a 1988 Nissan 300ZX.
Today there's a new power on the road. Today all eyes are on the sports car news of the decade. The first Nissan 300ZX.
Very, very stylish car. I was just gonna part it out, but we were looking through the glove compartment and we found the signed title to the car. So that changes everything. So we're gonna try to see if we can get it to start and go, and then we'll figure out what we can do with it, because it's a little rough. It's been sitting for a few years. Just a little slow. Got to do some washing. Get that thing out of the hood there. Might be somebody's residence. See if it'll crank over.
Nothing.
When cars have been sitting for a long time, the starting motors will sort of stick. And we're going to unstick it here just by hitting it. Hopefully this works. Thankfully we can... Hey! Hey! Well, I ran for a little bit. Yep.
What the hell? What the hell is going on?
Is that the radio? Hey, that's not bad. Look at that. Got vintage period correct glasses. Put them on, Josh, and sport those for us.
Yeah. There we go.
Straight from the 80s.
High quality.
Go for it. Come on, come on. Do we have start? We have start. Put it in gear, see if it'll go. See if you can do some burnouts in the driveway. Don't lose it. Nice. This might be my new daily driver. Look at this. They got a cup holder just for me. Come on, stay with me. Come on, come on. Somebody get that rock out of the road before there's an accident. Okay, so I haven't actually looked through this thing that much. We looked through it enough to find the title, so there might be all sorts of treasure in here now. See, this thing's been sitting for a while. You see there's crap like that. Anytime you have sun fade like that, it's been a while. There's definitely like things living in it. There's a nice rock. We don't need that in the car. Hey, look at that. We have an original Nissan tire inflator. This is probably full of compressed air and it's sort of rusting, so we probably don't want to hold on to it. for very long. We got another tire repair thing. We have another tire repair thing. We got another tire repair. I think there was a problem with the tires. Hey, look at that, a puncture seal. All right, let's keep the search up. Keep high spirits here. What do you guys think?
Any interest? No.
Any of these collectible?
That'll be a giveaway. We'll do a YouTube giveaway.
We really need this. That new car scent. Oh yeah. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, maybe. If you pump it, it'll go. Sure, it's not the first time this happened in this car. I mean, that's what I do every time I get into my cars. Think, gotta clip my toenails. And your fingernails. Don't forget your fingernails. If you'd like to make a purchase offer, please contact me via private email. Jesus, this thing's stocked. Look at this. For when you leave home without the T-tops. Hey, there's my headrest. I needed that. See, this is something you don't get on anything other than Nissan 300ZX. You think the Ultima came with that feature? Pads? Your shoulder? Great. Thanks for sharing this time with me. It's really fun. I really like it. I am from the future. It's actually really nice. All right, let's go for a ride. Z time! It's Z time!